keep in mind, what we've been doing here is creating a multi-layered Photoshop file. Your layers are for you to keep, for you to go back and re-edit at a later time or add to it if you wanted to keep going. But you're not going to turn in layers to me in Canvas if you're in my class. If you turn in a layered Photoshop file in Canvas, I won't even be able to preview it, so I couldn't give you a grade. So what you're going to be doing when you are done with each and every file you finish for this class is you go to File, Save one last time. Then when you are ready to turn it in, you go to File menu, Save a copy. The copy will be a flattened JPEG. You don't even have to change the name. It'll keep the same name, Nielsen, Chris, Coloring, Line Art. It says copy. I could click right here, highlight the word copy and delete that right there. I don't need the word copy in it, but I want a copy as a JPEG. I go to my desktop. When I go to save a JPEG, it's going to ask me for what quality. You want the quality to be high quality or 8, and you click OK. That will be a crushed one-layer file. This is the Photoshop file with multiple layers. You can see there, .psd. If I go to open my JPEG on my desktop, that now has one layer. Okay? A flattened file is going to be more compressed, going to be smaller, it's going to transfer better into Canvas when you go to turn this in for credit. So make sure you are saving a copy as a JPEG to submit to me, not your multi-layered Photoshop files. I won't even see them in Canvas, so just make sure you're paying attention to that. And that is our first lesson here in Chapter 2 of Photoshop. Hope you liked the experience because I got a ton more to share with you, and I'll see you in the future episodes of Photoshop Tutorials with Chris Nielsen. Bye.